On Twitter X, followers are everything. More followers mean more reach, more credibility, and more chances for your tweets to be seen. If your account has no followers, even great content will never go viral. That's why growing followers is always the first step when building a Twitter account. Now let me show you how to increase followers using multiple accounts. This is the software dashboard. Here, you can log in and manage an unlimited number of Twitter accounts in one place. Each account can be assigned its own proxy, so every account uses a different IP address. This helps prevent account linking and keeps your setup more stable. 2. Grow followers. Go to the follow function. Enter the username of the account you want to increase followers for. All selected accounts will automatically follow this target account. You can also enable interactions after following. For example, liking tweets, retweeting posts, or leaving random comments. You can input your comment content here, and the system will rotate it naturally. Next, set the delay between actions. A delay of 15 to 20 seconds is recommended. This mimics real human behavior and reduces abnormal activity patterns. After completing the setup, select the accounts and start the process. The system will handle the execution automatically. From a strategic perspective, growing followers this way works best when combined with quality content. Automation helps with distribution and initial traction, but consistency and relevance keep followers engaged. Using multiple accounts allows you to build social proof faster, while controlled. Delays and interactions help maintain account health over the long term.